DUOBO. If you love coffee, you'll love DUOBO by LG Labs, the first capsule coffee machine from LG Electronics. This machine lets you customize your coffee like never before with a dual capsule system that lets you blend 2 different capsules for a unique flavor. You can use any capsules from various brands and combine them to create your own signature brew. You can also control the temperature and pressure of each capsule with a mobile app, so you can fine-tune your coffee to your liking. Unlike other capsule coffee machines that limit your choices, this one gives you the freedom to experiment and discover new tastes. NOMVDIC L500. Introducing the NOMVDIC L500, the latest innovation from NOMVDIC Design. This is not your ordinary projector. It is a triple laser projector that you can carry anywhere with ease. It uses 3 RGB lasers, one for each primary color, to create stunning visuals that are 3 times richer than conventional laser projectors. It also supports the full range of the BT 2020 color gamut, giving you the most realistic and vivid colors possible. And you don't have to worry about dimming the lights or adjusting the focus. With 658 NSI lumens of brightness, the NOMVDIC L500 can compete with bigger and pricier projectors, letting you enjoy your content in any setting. Plus, it has an automatic and instant focus feature that adapts to any location in just 1 second. MONAPILLOW. Do you want to sleep better and work smarter? Then you need MONAPILLOW, the graphene memory foam pillow that will transform your nights and days. MONAPILLOW is not just a pillow. It is a triplex ice tech marvel that combines a graphene-infused cover, a cooling gel layer, and a memory foam core. This unique design will give you the best head and neck support, the ideal temperature, the smoothest hair, and the calmest mind. MONAPILLOW also lets you customize your comfort with a zipper that lets you adjust the height and firmness of the pillow to suit your needs. MONAPILLOW was launched on Kickstarter and Indiegogo in May 2023, where it received rave reviews and raised more than $10,000 from over 80 happy backers. Inspire 3D Scanner. With the Inspire 3D Scanner from RevoPoint, you can unleash your creativity and capture the world in stunning detail. This pocket-sized device packs a punch with its cutting-edge imaging sensors that rival the best electronics on the market. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, you will love this gadget for its affordability and versatility. It is so light and compact that you can carry it around like an iPhone 12 mini. The Inspire 3D Scanner has some amazing features that make it stand out from the crowd. For example, it has enhanced marker tracking that uses dual infrared LED lights to brighten up any object, even if it is featureless or dull-colored. It can also eliminate shadows with its flash LED and RGB camera, creating realistic and intricate 3D models. PLAUD Note. Introducing PLAUD Note, the world's first voice recorder that uses ChatGPT to do amazing things with your audio files. It can record, transcribe, and summarize your voice notes, calls, and more in a snap. It can also extract the most important points and actions from your audio and highlight them for you. Plus, it has MagSafe, which means you can easily attach it to your iPhone and enjoy seamless recording and transcription. PLAUD Note is not only smart, but also versatile. It can understand 57 different languages, filter out background noise, focus on specific voices, and more. Aura Smart Sleep Mask. The Aura Smart Sleep Mask is a revolutionary device that helps you sleep better and wake up refreshed. It is created by Adrian Wong and WH, who are experts in sleep technology. The mask blocks out all external light and uses a warm LED beam that gently rests on your eyes. This beam creates a soothing meditation effect that helps you relax and fall asleep. The mask also has speakers that play different sounds to enhance your sleep quality. You can choose from ASMR, nature sounds, or other relaxing soundscapes from around the world. You can control the sounds with the Aura app on your phone. The LED beam also acts as a light therapy device, which can mimic the sunrise and wake you up gently. The Aura Smart Sleep Mask is the ultimate device for a healthy and natural sleep cycle. Magtame. Say goodbye to messy and tangled cables with Magtame, the new magnetic charging and data cable that keeps your cords in order. It has a magnetic fast tidy-up system that lets you quickly and easily coil up your cable and store it in a neat bundle. Magtame supports power delivery for speedy and effective charging of your devices, and it uses an Apple-certified chip to ensure top performance and compatibility. Magtame offers different lengths and colors, and it works with USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB connectors. If you want to get your hands on the Magtame, you can back the project on Kickstarter until July 28, 2023. The early bird price starts from $18 USD for one cable, and you can pick from various reward tiers that include multiple cables, adapters, and organizers. MYLO. Meet MYLO, the new security camera from Coral Design that works both above and below water. MYLO is like a digital lifeguard for your home pool, keeping you alert and safe. Whether you want to check who is using your pool or if someone needs help, MYLO will notify you instantly. MYLO sits on the edge of your pool and has two camera modules attached. One floats on the water surface and the other dives underwater to give you a complete view of your pool at any time of the day. MYLO is built with durable hardware that can withstand water and powered by AI technology that can detect any activity in your pool. MYLO is the smart and reliable way to monitor your pool from anywhere. ZETTA 1024. Introducing the ZETTA 1024, the portable tire inflator that will blow your mind. This is not your average inflator. It is 2x faster than any other inflator on the market. It can pump up your tires from 2 to 150 psi in minutes with a flow rate of 23 liters per minute. It has a large LCD screen that shows you the exact tire pressure and lets you choose from 4 preset modes for different vehicles or a custom mode for your own preference. The device is powered by a rechargeable battery that can last for up to 30 minutes of non-stop use. The ZETTA 1024 is currently available for pre-order on Kickstarter, where it has already smashed its funding goal of $5,000. The early bird price is $59, which is a steal compared to the retail price of $99. Autoplay. Meet the redefined wireless CarPlay adapter from Autoplay, the ultimate gadget for iPhone users who love their cars. This tiny device lets you connect your iPhone to your car's infotainment system wirelessly, using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. No more messy cables, no more hassle. Just plug it into your car's USB port and enjoy all the benefits of CarPlay on your car's screen. You can use your car's native controls, such as steering wheel buttons or the joystick, to access CarPlay features such as navigation, music, calls, messages, and Siri. The adapter works with most cars that support wired CarPlay, and it supports iOS 14 and above. You can get it for only $51, which is half the retail price of $102.